The Raul Valle saga continues. This summer, the 20-year-old was acquitted of murder and first-degree assault charges, but now the state plans to bring the case back on the lesser charges.
And today we saw the first step in that process as Valle was requested in court for an appearance. NBC Connecticut's Jennifer Cuevas is outside Milford Superior Court with more.
Hey there, Kevin and Amber. So yeah, 3 months after being acquitted for the murder of 17-year-old James McGrath, Raul Valle back at Milford Superior Courthouse. Now this morning, we saw Valle in a shocking moment go up to the podium by himself without any legal representation. He actually asked the judge for some more time to secure an attorney.
All rise, court's adjourned.
After a shocking partial verdict in July acquitted 20-year-old Raul Valle for the murder of 17-year-old James McGrath and of stabbing 3 others, the Milford man is back in court as the state looks to try him on lesser charges. In Wednesday's brief court appearance, Valle stood in front of Judge Kevin Russo without a lawyer.
Mr. Valle.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm requesting more time, please, to seek counsel. Financially, my family took a big toll with the last court proceedings and stuff, so I need more time to find counsel.
The judge granting Valle more time.
So November 17th will be your next court date with or without an attorney. If you don't have one by then, you still have to appear.
Valle is now facing charges of reckless first-degree manslaughter, 2 counts of reckless assault, and 1 count of reckless second-degree assault. Outside of the courtroom, Jimmy McGrath's father, Kevin McGrath, addressed the media as they look ahead to a second trial.
And we're in it for the long haul. So, our goal in the end is just to hold the person that took my son's life accountable.
Prior to the court appearance, I sat down one-on-one with Kevin McGrath. We spoke about his expectations this time around.
But have you, maybe processed some of the thoughts of what if this goes the same way as the first time?
I try not to think about it. I think, raising 2, teenagers, nothing's in a straight line, right? So, there's, zigs and zags along the way. So, I really believe, we will get justice.
Criminal defense attorney Jim Bergen believes it may be difficult for Valle to secure a new attorney and might instead choose a public defender.
It's going to be hard to get somebody who's really got experience, judgment, insight, and it can do it for essentially free.
Now, we have contacted Valle's former attorney, Kevin Smith, for a comment. We have not yet heard back. And again, the next court appearance is scheduled for Monday, November 17th. Reporting live in Milford, Jennifer Cuevas, NBC Connecticut News.